Is this rally in the Bitcoin price over right now? And is Bitcoin rolling over right here, coming down, seeing a correction? Or are we right before a massive breakout to the upside? And will Bitcoin continue this rally? Guys, in today's video, I actually have some shocking data I want to tell you, because as you all know, I'm generally trending tend to trend bullish in this formation, but there is some data coming out right now which is actually quite shocking, and I want to have a talk about that in today's video, and I will give a clear answer on a little bit what the trading game plan is for right now. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. If you haven't done so already, make sure to drop up the thumbs up button, guys. And we did it in the previous weeks. We actually did a giveaway, and I saw that you guys were really motivated on commenting on these videos, and I want to remain that momentum, guys. So let's do this again. Let's organize a giveaway. At the end of this week, I will give away one of my cryptocurrency trading course to one person who comments below one of the videos during this week. So make sure to drop a comment below every single video this week to be able to get that cryptocurrency trading course at the end of the week. Well, guys, let's dive into Bitcoin. And I think it's actually a little bit indecisive right now. And I'm actually quite bullish, but that is also can also be a warning signal, right? Because if I'm feeling bullish on Bitcoin, it means that I'm not the only one experiencing these emotions. So I gotta be critical to myself, right? That is very important, because that's also where I see a lot of mistakes are coming from. People are choosing one direction and they just blindly follow that. They ignore all the data, which might say opposite direction. So I want to start off with having a look at the trend, okay? The trend right now is clearly to the upside. We had just a massive rally right here, and we're consolidating sideways. Right now we are even trading above the 4-hour EMA ribbon. We got bounced from there, and we're getting squeezed between the 4-hour EMA ribbon and this horizontal resistance, which you could also maybe draw like this, which would be like an ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern, right? So that's all actually quite bullish. The data that actually came available today, which is not so bullish, is the following data, guys. And that is, I made a poll over on YouTube, and then I asked the Bitcoin top is in or the rally is not over. And then you can see, although we only have 27 votes, we can see that the majority is thinking that the rally is not over yet. That is one thing that I'm looking at. Okay, that is quite, like, if it would be 50-50, it's a little bit indecisive, right? But this is like very clear. The first approximately 30 votes says the rally is not over. The majority says the rally is not over. Then we go to Twitter, and then I ask, let me refresh, maybe we got some more votes. I asked you, will Bitcoin go up or down this week? And then also the majority says Bitcoin goes up. So as of now, and this can change, of course, this can definitely change, but as of now, it looks like the majority expects Bitcoin to go up. And normally it will increase the likelihood of Bitcoin to come down, because the majority is expecting more upside, therefore more bullish, therefore they already positioned themselves inside the assets, therefore there are less buyers left. I know that sounds a little bit confusing, but that's basically how the markets work. So also, when we have a look at whaleportal, guys, we can see that the average funding fee is already positive for some time. It's coming slightly down right here, but we didn't see this like negative funding yet. So that would bring me to the next conclusion right here, guys. It is not worth, in my opinion, to open a long position on Bitcoin, as the most advantages or most indicators are not in the advantage of the trader. Also, when we go to the daily time frame right here and we look at the time cycles, then we can see that from the low till the high, we're almost at the half of the 60-day cycle, which definitely means we can rally up, and we can also rally after that middle of the 60-day cycle. But the closer we are to this arrow, the closer we are to a potential top. So the lower or actually the higher the risk will be for a potential long position, right? This is just based on time. Also, when we have a look at the structure, we do get some fake out to the upside, and that could also show us that we might see a correction right here. Like, I actually, when I just look at the structure, guys, I gotta be honest, I was actually quite bullish, but then I was thinking by myself, okay, Jeroen, you are bullish, that means more people are bullish as well. You are experiencing this confidence, which is an emotion as well. Why? Can you test that as well? Can you test that emotion? Like, why do you think that? And the reason why I think that is because of the structure only. The structure only is an uptrend, because derivatives exchange data is not confirming that we continue to go higher, and the sentiment check is clearly showing that the majority of the people are expecting Bitcoin to go higher. So therefore, I'm getting new feedback that it's actually increasing the likelihood to come down. And I'm not saying right here, yeah, you should short or you should do something like that. No. But I don't think in terms of risk to reward ratio, in terms of thinking in probabilities, it's not worth to open long positions right here. Definitely not. Although there might be another push in the to the upside for Bitcoin, because we all know we have some macro charts. Let me go right here to the weekly time frame. We have some macro charts which actually show that, yeah, we might have still some potential upside left. Also, the weekly time frame, if we close today in the green, it's actually looking quite bullish on the weekly time frame. Why? Because we have a star doji I've been talking about in the past, and the star doji is most of the time one of the first signs of a reversal. But in some cases, you also have like a star doji right here, and then we still have another push. But that means that after the star doji, we need to see a green weekly close, which we are seeing right now. Normally, for a reversal to be there, we actually want to see a red weekly close or something like this, a very indecisive, maybe also a star doji weekly close. So yeah, guys, this is basically what I'm watching with Bitcoin. I'm slightly going to be careful, and I'm also going to be slightly neutral right here. Although I want to say the trend is definitely still to the upside. We are in a uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, on a daily time frame, and so on. We do see that the majority is expecting upside continuation. We do see the funding rates is already positive for a period of time. And that should make us a little bit cautious during this price action. So what we can do, guys, is basically have the discipline to wait, right? Stand on the sidelines. We can either wait until Bitcoin is breaking this sideways range, or if you want to catch it already earlier, a potential move to the downside, or you want to hedge, or you want to protect your capital for a potential correction right here, you can already become bearish or flip your bearish bias after we break the 4-hour EMA ribbon decisively. That would right now align with the middle of the sideways range at roughly 27,800. So a clear break below that, and not being able to reclaim this level. So yeah, guys, that is what I'm watching on Bitcoin. I hope you learned something in today's video, guys. Also a little bit about the approach I'm taking right here, about the certain factors that I'm taking into consideration when I want to play this game of chess in the markets, because that's just what it is, right? We're just playing a game of chess against other people, and you want to outsmart other people, and you got to know when you gotta hop in and make your moves, and you gotta know when you gotta wait and to see actually a little bit more in what kind of direction or what kind of trajectory Bitcoin is going to take place right here. I think that is very important. Sometimes the best decision that you can make is to just be patient. Okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, make sure to smash up that like button. I hope the weather where you are right now is as good as the weather is in Holland. We are finally having some sun right here, and we haven't seen sun for, I have the feeling, for weeks. So I'm really happy with that. I'm going outside today as well. Enjoy the sun, definitely. Quick reminder for every single one of you who is interested in joining WhaleAlerts or trading cryptocurrencies. Below this video, I have an affiliate link to the bybit exchange. And if you sign up through that affiliate link, you can get a bonus of up to to 30,000 US dollars. But you can also join WhaleAlerts, which is a extra Telegram channel where you can enjoy extra trading content. It's not a day-to-day signal provider, so you won't wake up every day with buy or short signals. We really want to just update whenever we are seeing something that is very important, that is really worth to take a look at, instead of like sometimes we do some quick scalps. So we actually had a really nice scalp right here, roughly from the lows, actually after the EMA ribbon till the resistance. But most of the time we are looking a little bit more at the bigger picture. We have shared a lot of altcoins over there. Most of the altcoins, actually all altcoins, are in profit right now. Yeah, it's just very interesting for the ones that just want to take that extra step, want to enjoy extra information. I would highly suggest you to join WhaleAlerts, and it will cost you nothing if you are an active trader, because you can just join Bybit with the affiliate link down below. If you already have an account, you can create a new account, and if you are from the United States, you can also join with the bitget exchange. For that, you need to go to whaleportal.com. You click right here on exchanges. That will bring you to the following page. Then you click right here on bitget. And then here we have a button, visit bitget. This is this is our affiliate link, so you can create an account using this link as well. And then over on WhaleAlerts, you can submit your user ID from bitget. I will recognize the type of user ID, whether it is from Bybit or from bitget, and I will have a look whether you meet the deposit requirements, and then I will add you to the channel. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all an awesome day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.